Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Thursday, June 18th, 2026. We cover market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly up, led by the Nasdaq Composite, which gained 496 points to close at 26,517, up 1.9%. The S&P 500 rose 78 points, closing at 7,498, reflecting a 1% rise. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 climbed 72 points to 51,565. In market breadth, the Russell 2000 showed strong advances, with 1,349 rising stocks against 435 falling. Similarly, the S&P 400 midcap saw 255 advancers and 131 decliners. Conversely, the Dow 30 had slightly more decliners, with 16 stocks declining. Examining total returns, the Russell 2000 led with a week-to-date total return of 1.22%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite posted a notable year-to-date return of 14.09%. The S&P 400 midcap ended the week slightly negative despite positive momentum today. Technology drove sector gains, rising 2.6% to close at 6,881. The technology sector shows a very strong positive trend. Consumer Cyclicals also shown up 1.7%. Though it has experienced sideways price movement recently. Industrials ended at a new all-time high, with continuous upward volatility. Energy experienced a setback, dropping 1.7% and closing at 815. This decline marks 4 consecutive days of losses and strong downward volatility. Financial services also closed down 0.9%, despite showing a strong positive trend. Healthcare saw its 5th consecutive decline, closing down 0.84%. South Korea marked a standout performance, climbing 6.8% to a new high at 219.20. Similarly, Taiwan advanced 4.6%, also reaching a new peak. Japan saw a continuous rise, up 1.9% to a fresh all-time close, extending a strong positive trend. The South Korean ETF showed impressive year-to-date returns of 125.47%. Meanwhile, the Taiwan ETF also did well with a year-to-date return of 73.13%. Japan extended solid gains, contributing to a year-to-date return of 19.22%, with notable volatility aiding this trend. Today's technology darlings all ended higher, with Apple gaining 2.6 to close at 298.1. Alphabet rose by 5.36, reaching 367.46, breaking out after 3 flat days. Amazon led with a 6.89 increase, a 2.9% rise. Both Meta Platforms and Nvidia also saw gains, up by 9.64 and 5.55 respectively.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Across the board, major cryptocurrencies are seeing declines today. Bitcoin is currently at 63,053, dropping over 1,392 overnight. Ethereum follows a similar path, down by 36 to trade around 1,712. Meanwhile, BNB slipped 20, resting at 580. Both Solana and Dogecoin experienced downward pressure, with Solana breaking out from a sideways trend to drop 2.19. Dogecoin continues its slump for the 4th day in a row. As we look at returns, Bitcoin has a notable week, returning minus 4.04% so far. Ethereum shows a similarly tough month, with a drop over 14.5%. BNB is struggling with a negative return of more than 18% monthly. Solana and Dogecoin show even greater volatility, each witnessing returns dip over 15%. The downtrend is persistent across metrics.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is displaying robust gains against major currencies. Against the euro, it rose by 0.0030 to 0.8722, continuing a very strong positive trend. Similarly, the greenback advanced 0.0048 to 0.7573 against the British pound, amid strong upward volatility. Meanwhile, it remains strong against the Japanese yen, up by 0.7630 to 161.3870, nearing a one-year high. The Swiss franc also saw the dollar rise to 0.8041, climbing by 0.0044 with some volatility. However, against the Australian dollar, the greenback dipped slightly to 1.4246, with a minor decrease of 0.0004.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.